Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Indian Constitution adopt universal adult suffrage as the basis of the Lok Sabha elections. Every citizen who is not less than dash has the right to vote. Your right answer is 18 years. Option B is your correct answer. What is the difference between the layer of a diode? Your right answer is potential barrier. Option C is your correct answer. What is the process of indigenous chromosome coupling? Your right answer is synapsis or syntax. Option D is your correct answer. In which city is the Hawa Mahal located? Your right answer is Jaipur. Option C is your correct answer. From which country is the famous land cruiser silk route spread to Europe? Your right answer is China. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the second highest post in India? Your right answer is Vice President. Option C is your correct answer. All the goods and services produced in the country during the year are called marked prices. Your right answer is gross domestic product. GDP. Option B is your correct answer. What language is the word meditation taken from? Your right answer is Urdu. Option B is your correct answer. Indian Statistical Institute was founded in the city of Dash. Your right answer is Calcutta. Option A is your correct answer. Who has the power to declare a national emergency in India? Your right answer is President. Option D is your correct answer. In which state is the origin of Sujani embroidery? Your right answer is Bihar. Option B is your correct answer. How many times have been declared a financial emergency in India? Your right answer is never. Option A is your correct answer. Goods and service tax India came into force from dash. Your right answer is July 2017. Option D is your correct answer. In which year did the ICC first start limited over in cricket World Cup? Your right answer is 1975. Option D is your correct answer. The Great Ascension Basin is located in which of the following countries? Your right answer is Australia. Option C is your correct answer. The cells of the nervous system that are supported, protected and nutrited are called neurons. Your right answer is glial cells. Option B is your correct answer. What happened at the center of the cricket field? Your right answer is pitch. Option B is your correct answer. Which method is used to determine the speed of sound in the gas? Your right answer is household tube. Option D is your correct answer. Casti, acacia and date tree are the specialty of which vegetable area? Your right answer is desert zone. Option B is your correct answer. What is the process of transitioning into a larva adult passing through drastic changes? Your right answer is conversion. Option C is your correct answer. How many tropics are currently in India Union list? Your right answer is 100 topics. Option A is your correct answer. Why did Gandhi lead the mill workers strike in 1918? Your right answer is Ahmedabad. Option B is your correct answer. Hockey was introduced in India by dash. Your right answer is British people. Option B is your correct answer. Farakka barrage is located in which state? Your right answer is West Bengal. Option B is your correct answer. In 1877, who hosted the court to accept Queen Victoria as Queen of India? Your right answer is Lytton. Option D is your correct answer. Atomic and molecules can only emit or absorb energy as discrete packets of energy which is called? Your right answer is quanta. Option C is your correct answer. In 1799, what was the death of Tipu Sultan? Your right answer is Srirangpatnam. Option D is your correct answer. What is the process of transfusing a substances in a gas state directly from the solid state without going through the liquid state? Your right answer is sublimation. Option A is your correct answer. Which card is used in a football game to tell if a player has been sent out of the game? Your right answer is red card. Option C is your correct answer. In the year dash, the word integrity was added in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Your right answer is 1976. Option D is your correct answer. Which Minister of Indian government launched the Startup India scheme? Your right answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the founder of Sikhism? Your right answer is Guru Nanak. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following sports require a ball to play? Your right answer is volleyball. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following does not come under the Grand Slam tournament of tennis? Your right answer is Korea Open. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following soil is soil deposited in the lake of Kashmir Valley? Your right answer is Kavao mud. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following river is not a tributary of Mahanadi? Your right answer is Musi. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the founder of Khudai Khidmatgar? Your right answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Option D is your correct answer. The origin of the eucalyptus tree species is in which of the following continents? Your right answer is Australia. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the artificial water route flowing north to south in the Strait of Suez in north eastern Egypt? Your right answer is Suez Canal. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is an example of conventional energy? Your right answer is natural gas. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following was the Labour Minister in the first cabinet of independent India? Your right answer is Jagjivan Ram. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the smallest country in West Asia? Your right answer is Bahrain. Option D is your correct answer. What year was World War I? Your right answer is 1914. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following island have an active volcano? Your right answer is Barron Island. Option D is your correct answer. State emergency is also known as dash. Your right answer is President rule. Option A is your correct answer. The term of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is for dash. Your right answer is 6 years. Option D is your correct answer. The central government has appointed a 3-member commission on center-state relation. The chairmanship of dash. Your right answer is R.S. Sarkaria. Option D is your correct answer. Who is defined as the total number of protons present in the atom's nucleus? Your right answer is atomic number. Option A is your correct answer. What is the repetition of sound due to the reflection of the sounds? Your right answer is echo. Option A is your correct answer. This is the last questions of today class, question of 50. Which of the following important diversity is found in Himalayan wet forest? Your right answer is oak or ochre. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.